In this video, we're going to talk about how we can look at the pricing of puts and calls. So first, let's start working with the top here when you talk about investing in options. So we have a stock selling for $27. The exercise price of the call is $25 and the premium is $5. So we want to look at how are the values calculated and how does that relate to the stock price, and what does it mean if you're buying a call or writing a call. So let's talk about buying a call. If you purchase a call, you're going to spend $5. Now, when that call is exercised, that means you think you're going to start to make some profit. So as we note here, I started the value at $10 here. And if you look at our graph to the right, here's the $10 mark. And you can see that we actually lose $5. It's below zero here. So we started loss of $5. Now, that's important because that's the least that you can lose, right? Or that's the most you can lose, right? So if we go down, as the stock price increases, when the stock price gets to $28, now the exercise price is $25. So at $28, that means you would want to exercise the option. So that means you would actually have an option that's worth $3. But let's remember that you paid $5 to get the option. So you still haven't made profit yet. The option you have has value, but you're not going to want to exercise it until you actually have profit. Now, if it gets very close to exercise, of course, you would exercise it for expires because you don't want to take the entire $5 loss. You'd rather have a $2 loss than a $5 loss. At $31, and we now know what? 31 is greater than the exercise price by $6. $6, subtract out the cost of 5. At this point, you've made profit. So the blue line here represents buying the call. And at this point, at $25, you start to make profit, but you don't get to zero until we actually get to $25 is where you'd actually would get to $0. Now, what if you write the call? If you write the call, you receive $5. When do you start to lose money? You start to lose money as the stock price increases. If it goes above the $25 strike price, now you start to lose money. So as we represent here, here is the $5 in profit you make if you write the call. And then anything after $25, you start to lose money. So the thing about options is they have an unlimited profit potential if it's a call, but they have an unlimited loss potential if you write the call. If you buy the call, unlimited, up. If you write the call, there's unlimited downside potential. Now, if you just bought the stock, you also see that what? The stock has this straight line profit line, but of course, anything less than the $27 stock price implies you're going to be losing money. So with a stock, you have unlimited upside potential, but you also have unlimited downside potential. So the idea of buying a call is you can offset the downside potential by buying a call. And if we could combine an option, a call option with a stock, a purchase of a stock, we could limit any potential losses. Now let's see what happens with a put. It's the exact opposite kind of a situation. In this case, we have a $20 exercise price. I started this at $5 as far as the stock price. And again, you have to put in the so that you can get a pretty picture over here. You have to kind of manipulate the price increment so you get a picture. That's just to manage this picture. But the exact same thing. If you write a put, if the stock price goes down, you make money. So again, if the X stock price is $27, if it goes to $5, then you're going to make $15 in value or $13 in profit. But if that stock price goes up, if it goes above the exercise price of 20, now you start losing money. And the premium you lose is $2. So if we look, the blue line here again is if you buy the put, again, anything less than $20, you start to first regain your premium and then you start making profit. The exact opposite is true if you write the put. Somebody's going to pay you $2. That's the most you'll make. As long as the stock is above $20, you'll keep that $2. That's the most profit you'll make. And likewise, if you think about shorting a stock, if you short the stock, you sort of have an unlimited profit potential, but it's limited to zero, right? I mean, the stock cannot be worth less than zero. And you have, since you shorted the stock, you have an unlimited downside potential. So again, if you're worried about the stock going down, right? If you shorted the stock, how do you offset that potential? Well, you offset a short sold stock by buying a put, because if the price does go down, you'll offset the losses on the stock with the increased value of the put. Again, that's some basic strategy and how you see how the options and puts work together. Hope you liked the video. Talk to you soon.